Okay guys, we'll move to the question number 14, and this is also similar to the question number 13, which is the tossing a coin problem. Only the difference is here it has mentioned about the children, and there are three children, and they are asking you to find the probability of getting exactly one girl and getting at least one girl and getting all boys. So what is the difference here? Instead of that tossing a coin head and tail, here it has boys and girls, because these three children, we do not know whether they are girls or boys. Okay, so might be two boys, might be one girl and two boys, and three boys. Like that way it will be different, so randomly those things will be changed. So and also it is mentioned here, assume that the probability of getting a boy or a girl is equally likely. Okay, that means getting a boy or girl means half. Equally likely means girls and boys means there are here how many possible outcomes. Here also we can understand, we can first get the sample space here. So in order to get the sample space, first of all we'll see what are the possible outcomes. There are two possible outcomes, and how many number of trials. It says three children, that means these three children are boys and girls, so number of trials are the 3. So it is 2 to the power 3. So you are getting the sample space value as 8. Now we need to write the sample space. Anyway, if they ask you to write the sample space or not, just write the sample space. By looking at the sample space, it is very easy to get the answer. That is the interpretation method. Okay, you do not want to write tree diagrams always, but by looking the sample space, you can get the answer. So now it is 8. So earlier we had 16, but now at this time we are having just 8. So you can use 8, means you can have 8 divided by 2 is the first column, and in the second column 8 divided by 2 means in the first column 4 and 4, in the second column 2 and 2, and the third column 1, and like that way it is going. So here instead of head and tails, you will be getting boys and girls. So the first column we'll write boy, 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 boy 4, and girl, 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 girl 4. Now 8. And in the second column we'll say boy, boy, girl, girl, boy, boy, girl, girl. And the next column we'll write boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl. And we can put it as S equals, and put like this way, and you can put a comma here and put a comma. This is your sample space. You do not want to write remember or think anything, just you can write like this way. And here we'll see. Now you know that the total number of outcome is 16. It is asking the first question, getting exactly one girl. You can see where is one girl is available. Here one girl is available, and here also one girl is available, right? Yeah, two boys and one girls. Here two girls, and here also one girl is available. Here two girls, three girls. So here 3. So 3 divided by here what? 8. Oh, sorry. Total number of outcomes is 8 here. The previous one only 16. Now here 8, because it is 2 to the power 3. Okay, you can see 2 to the power 3 is 8. So 3 divided by 8 is the answer for the first one. The second one, getting at least one girl. At least one girls means you can use the complement method. Complement method means at least one girls means you can find out where the possibility of you are uh, you are having a, a, a girl, not a girl at all. You can have, you can subtract from the total probability. There is no girl at all. Okay, so you can get the things like this way: 1 minus P, no girl at all. Okay, no girl at all means you are getting you have to subtract only this one. Okay, either you can like 1 minus p subtracting this one, or other thing you can count out how many areas with the girls are available. If you count like this way, here girl, 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 then it is 7 divided by 8. By the sample space you can easily get it now, but I will use this one. You can use anyway. The answer is 7 divided by 8. Here 1 minus p, no girl at all. No girl at all means here 1 divided by 8. 1 minus 1 divided by 8. So it is 7 divided by 8. You can use this method, or just looking at the sample space you can see only this place you are not getting a girl. All the other cases you are getting a girl. If you count these things, that is 7 divided by 8. And the third thing, getting all boys. Getting all boys means all these 3 times you are getting a boy. That is only from here. Here only you are getting all boys, and all the other cases you are getting at least one girl. So here then the favorable outcome is 1 and the total is 8. So that is 1 divided by 8. So that is the answer for this one. So in this way, going way is very much easy compared to the what we call binomial probability formula. That's why I'm not using that method. So okay, that's the end of this part.